Hello all, welcome you with the beautiful rose and welcome you to the simple living Disha Shetty's family. So with the lovely green and see today the sky is really very clear and I could not show you the sunset view today because I have started my log early in the evening. Just the sky is very clear and I am really observing the different shades of sky. It's really there is different colors in sky actually. Some area it's little dark, some it is light. See the clouds here and there. It's like really mesmerizing movement when we sit there and watch it, right? Whatever tensions we have, we'll forget it, and whatever happiness we want to grab. We'll have to grab by looking the serenity as well as the clear sky. Actually, birds which are flying from one place to another, they are coming back from the place where they have gone in search of food and searching, coming back to their nest. It is really very happy to see them, see the flower, white flower which is just bloomed today and it is like looking so pretty, which is actually there is a stagnant water next to it, but still see we can see that stagnant water is not at all been affecting us. This beauty is actually overcoming everything, and here the sky, it's really amazing. And so now I'm starting with the hair volume. So actually my hair is wavy, but actually I am trying to use serum. I usually use serum. So but today I don't want to use serum because I'm at home. I'm not going out. Why should I spoil my hair by using serum? Why should I invest money for that? Because it is actually chemical. See, olden days we are having hair since our birth, but we never used serum since our birth, but still we had shiny silky hair. It's why that now it's happening, because these are the ads which by looking at the ads we are purchasing the serum and using it. Actually it is not required. As our hair is, we'll maintain it neatly, will actually save it from dust, and actually our hair will be silky, shiny, wavy. If you want straight, of course it can be straight also. So here actually I am trying to volumize my hair. So now, just now I taken my head shower. So I right now I cannot go up, or I cannot go to my terrace, and because I want enough lights, bright sunlight, so that I can dry my hair. So now it is not possible. That's the reason I'm using the vacuum sorry I'm using the heater, hair dryer. But it is not necessary for you to use the hair dryer when the weather is warm. But now it's evening and I have to shoot the video and show you how I'm volumizing my hair without any of the serum, or and maintaining with it with the same. Actually I the volumizing hair is very easy. You don't have to use the blower as well. Right now for drying I'm using it, that's all, and that too with low heat. And you can see it, as well as this is my random haircut which has been given in the parlor, and they told that this is suiting me, and actually this is suiting me very well. And also here I have to give you some of the keywords as well as the guidelines, like please don't go for the hair straightening. So at once for 1 year your hair will look good, you look very pretty, but afterwards it is not possible. Once again we have to go and get the hair straightening done. It is possible. I'm not telling the matter of, I'm using Vega hair dryer. So see, it's not the matter of money, but it's actually your hair what we are spoiling. I actually spoiled my hair by doing hair straightening for twice, and then it was actually sear. And really, the texture of my hair was very good, but after hair straightening, actually I lost everything. So right now I'm trying all the things where I can avoid. I'm trying each and every method where I can keep the chemical away from myself, so that I can be chemical free, as well as my hair can grow very well. As well as it is not necessary for us to invest on the chemicals. But we, it's now the trend is like we ourselves are investing money on chemicals and bringing the unwanted harm for ourselves. So why do we have to do it when we have it naturally? So anyhow, the blowing air doesn't matter. Anyhow, I have kept it in a very low heat. Actually, it was I was not getting heat from there. I was getting a cool air which was passed. It is like a fan for me there. So I was enjoying it and trying to dry my hair. Usually in the winters, I usually take bath thrice in a week. So and I dried my hair with the blower only, that too with the low heat, because wet hair doesn't suit me. I get fever or cold very soon. So now see, I'm trying to use the blowers. That too, I'm not touching it near my hair. I'm just little far away only. I'm doing it. Very soon my hair got dried. And see here also I'm not using the comb. Actually, you are not supposed to use comb for the wet hair, because it's that's when the roots of the hair are very loose, and when you comb hair, all the hair will fall. So try not to use the comb for wet hair. Only after drying you can use your hair comb, and comb very well. For wet hair, try to avoid it. Also, you can use a conditioner. Actually, you have natural conditioners, but I am actually trying to avoid you, but it is not possible. I am not able to find the natural conditioner which I can make at home. But if it is possible, surely I'll try the natural conditioner. So I'm drying my hair. Please go and see the picture boating scenes. Actually, we have been there before lockdown. See here, it's really really amazing. I would definitely tell you that at once, any point of your life, if you are free, please go visit Pichavaram. It is in Tamil Nadu. Excellent place. You'll really enjoy the beauty of nature. So this is actually the mangrove forest. You would have learned in your social studies. So it's really excellent. So greenery, we are just learning. So when we are learning, we are not able to understand. While looking, we'll enjoy, and we will see what exactly is there. So this view I wanted to show. This is the place where Dashavartaram movie was shot. So that's why it is called as Dashavartaram. So if you go and watch Dashavartaram movie, surely you'll find this point. And really see, it's really amazing. I really enjoyed the view, and I feel that in life, it's the first time this kind of beauty I've seen. So I'll come back to my hair. So I dried my hair, and now see, I'm combing my hair. See, after drying my hair completely, I've combed my hair. Now volume, how to give the volume to your hair? Just bend, comb your hair nicely. Sorry, not nicely, I meant to say lightly, not nicely, lightly, so that you what to say, the tangles, if you have, it can be removed. Anyhow, you'll not have tangles. I didn't have, actually. I'm combing it very lightly, just to give the thing, because when you have blow dried it, was not in the even order. Now see, when I'm see nicely, I'm combing it without any serum. This is without any serum. I have used conditioner, that's all. Shampoo too, I have used goat milk shampoo and the conditioner. Apart from that, no serum. See, I've got the volume. I'm just bending and combing it and just putting it back. See, now I've got enough volume to my hair. And if you want to maintain, take light coconut or any oil which you're using, one drop, rub it in your hand. Actually, it is good if you take only none of the herbal oils. You can just go with the coconut oil, or you can just go with olive oil. And see how beautiful it is. Very easy. No nothing, no serum, nothing is required. So this is how I maintain my hair. So please try this method. This tip was given. This tip was given to me by the beauty parlor only. So they have suggested me the tip, but they had told me to use serum. But I am very, I just don't want to use the chemical to my hair after my hair wash. So that's the reason I am not using it, and I'm using the natural coconut oil for maintaining it as a serum. So it will really, you will really feel the difference. Okay, when you find, for roughness only as well, you are using serum, but I feel that the hair what we have, we can maintain without serum. See, I like the haircut which has been given. If you have liked the haircut what was given to me, please do comment and share. I will just share the exact name of it so that you can get the haircut. With actually, it is not a layer cut or a feather cut. It is actually random cut. You can go and check with the there is a random cut which they are giving. See, now I'm really happy with the way how the my hair got volume and nothing, no chemical used. And actually, I myself have experimented on my and I can see. So now please check ragi paddu. So other day I've made the ragi batter. So I showed two varieties, ganji and dosa. I even made appam. I'll show you. This is the last one which I'm making. That is ragi paddu paniyara will tell in Tamil. So I have made, cut little pearl onions. That is small onion. I mixed in the batter. Now what I'm doing, I'm just pouring it inside the paniyaram or the appam or the paddu pan. So next to that it is cast iron with the tomato, onion as well as chilies and pudina and coriander. I'm making pulao there, so I'm multitasking here so that I can get the work done together and finish my work and take some break and talk to you all. So here this is paddu or paniyaram. It actually takes very less oil. I have taken 1 spoon of oil for all these paniyaram. I think we can get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 paddus you can get. And I'm telling you, you don't need much oil for that. But only thing is like it is time consuming because it is very small and it takes much time for cooking. That's all. Apart from that, it is okay because it has to be cooked. I'm keeping it in sim and then pouring, or else the paddu will get burnt. So that's the reason simultaneously I've tried. So these are the potatoes which I've kept peeled and kept for making potato chips. So other day I've shown you sweet potato chips, but I have not shown the technique of slicing it using the slicer. So here I am again just roasting it with oil with onion and chilies. So this is a cooker where I have cooked the vegetables which is required for the pulao. Actually it is biryani. And so now I'm using this is also a healthy oil. Actually I told you I bring oil from mill, so I'm using just 1/2 spoon of oil for that. And I'm cooking it. So I'm doing this method in open cooking method. It is not dum biryani, it is actually biryani but open cooking method. And you will find the rice, it's very good. I meant to say it is very soft as well as not sticky also. So I have to add capsicum at last. I wanted other capsicum need not cook, but other two ingredients should be cooked. So that's the reason I'm making it. Now this is called as Kashayam Kada or immunity booster. It's made up of Kabachura Kudiniru. In Tamil Nadu we call it as such. So it's actually from Siddha medicine. You can find it in Incops. So you can go it. It actually it is very good for our health. It is not only for our COVID but for any of the disease. So you can have it every now and then. So I'm showing you the road. See, no one is coming out. Actually, I'm very happy. People are following the guidelines. That is important. I'm so happy so that our COVID will go soon and we'll be going out. So here I've come here to show the drained rice which I have cooked by the open cooking method. This is actually Dawat Basmati first class rice. So it is really very nice. If you see instructions what he has given in the packet of the basmati rice, you need to follow. So this needs to be soaked. So I have soaked it. Some rice need not some rice don't need soaking, so that's the reason we don't need to soak, but here we have to soak it. That's the reason I have soaked it. And you shouldn't cook it well also. See, it's like I'm pressing and immediately when you cut the rice grain won't cut. So now I'm trying to remove the paddus, and I'm doing it faster because the video will be very lengthy. So I don't want the video to be lengthy. That's the reason I'm trying it very faster. As well as see here simultaneously I'm adding the capsicum and doing the work. See the paddus. I have removed all of them and we are eating it. It was really tasty. Please try it. I'm very sure you will be liking it. So here I have used the soya chunks. Soya chunks are very nutrition. So I am using them for my veg biryani. So now the cooked rice, which I have kept it for draining, I've bought and mixed it. So in very soft hands, I'm mixing it, not very delicately. You should not mix it with your hard hands. I mean, so you should not press it hard, very delicately. That too with the wooden spatula, very delicately. If you mix it, it is really amazing and tremendous. And you will open cooking method also. You will not take much time actually. Only thing is like cooking in the different utensils, but actually it will be very tasty. You can make it as dum after this. After mix, thing is like in dum you don't have to mix it at all. You just have to put layer by layer. Here this is potato chips. My son wanted potato chips too for yesterday. That's the reason I'm doing my potato chips as well. See, I have sliced using Anjali slicers. I wanted to show the technique. That's the reason I'm shooting this video. See, this is Anjali's slicer. This is very suitable for all types of chips. So that's the reason I'm slicing it in using Anjali slicer. I will be slicing it and see, you have to press a little. You without pressing, if you do, the slices will be very thin. See, the slices should be like this. It shouldn't be very thin or it shouldn't be thick. See, this is the text. This is how it should be. And now I'm see, you have to, when you're putting it into oil, it should be very hot. When after that you have to simmer the oil, because if you, when you're putting, if it is not very hot, it won't be crispy. That's the reason. This technique also you need to follow. It is not that, see, I will tell, but when you're preparing my method again, I'm very sure you will not get the thing what same as what I have done, but it is the technique what you should follow. So I have followed this technique, follow the same technique. By practice I have to know about this technique. So after that you have to put it into the tissue. I have just removed all the oil. See this, see the chips are very crispy. When I cut it, it is getting, some I have actually not made crispy because I love potatoes which are not crispy also. I'll try other recipe using cheese. It is also very nice. So, but I wanted to show that how crispy it is. So that's the reasons. Here now I've put into oil. I kept it very in a high, and now I'm simmering it and cooking it. It will be done very soon. I am telling you. See, I just have taken 7 potatoes. I've shown you also that those are not the potatoes which are actually meant for chips. I meant to say potato which are meant for chips are a little bigger in size. But this was actually not ordered in the purpose of making chips. But I'm making chips with all the potatoes what I get, because it is very easy, because same potatoes are grown. Only the size will be different. Apart from that, there is nothing difference. I hope so. I'm not sure. So see here, now I have made the potato chips, and actually imagine that when you're cooking and some of them have become soft, if you can find it, so put it once again in the oil and fry it so that it will become hard. To show this only I have, see how crispy it has become. If it is not crispy, it will not get crushed as so how I have shown you. So that's the reason I'm showing you. In your house, try this recipe in your house. आप अपने घर में ये बना के देखिए और मुझे कमेंट कीजिए. अच्छा लगा तो मुझे कमेंट कीजिए, बुरा लगा तो आप मुझे, अच्छा नहीं बना है तो भी कमेंट कीजिए, ताकि मैं बता सकूं कहाँ गलती हुई है. ट्राई कीजिए आपके अपने घर में. एंड ये मेरा आयरन कढ़ाई है, मैं इसी से बनाती हूँ. मैंने उसके लिए आयरन कढ़ाई का उस दिन वीडियो बनाया था. देखिए मैं तीसरा बैच चिप्स डाल रही हूँ. अभी मेरा फिनिश हुआ है. मैंने उसको टिश्यू पेपर से निकाल दिया. अभी मैंने होम ग्राउंडेड चिल्ली पाउडर एंड पिंक सॉल्ट डाल रही हूँ और इसको मिक्स करके एक उसी में स्टोर कर रही हूँ, क्योंकि कोई भी चिप्स आप ना घर में बना के रखोगे ना तो वो सॉफ्ट ही बनेगा. आप बाज़ार से भी लेके आओगे तो भी वो सॉफ्ट ही होगा. तो उसको स्टोर करने का तरीका अच्छा रहना है. लेकिन क्यों रखना, जब ये घर में ये बनाते तब तुरंत ही खा लीजिए, क्योंकि वैसे भी आपको बनाना आता है. तो आप क्यों वेस्ट करते हो अपना टाइम. आराम से आप फिर से दोबारा बना सकते हो और फ्रेश खा सकते हो और हेल्दी रह सकते हो. मुझे ये बहुत अच्छा लगा ये एक्चुअली, इसलिए मैंने आपको दिखाया. आप देख लो, बना लो, फुल फैमिली एंजॉय करो. इसमें से आपका पैसा भी बचेगा. टाइम थोड़ा ज़्यादा लेगा इसमें होगा, लेकिन पैसा बचेगा एंड हेल्थ बहुत बढ़िया आपको मिल जाएगा. देखिए टिश्यू कवर करके मैं उसको शेक कर रही हूँ ताकि वो पूरा मिक्स हो जाए. और हमारा चिप्स रेडी है। परफेक्ट क्रिस्पी टेस्टी चिप्स। इस एक्चुअली वो जो थोड़ा हटके चिप्स शेप वाला चिप्स भी आप बना सकते हैं इसी तरीके से, लेकिन सिर्फ वो स्लाइस करने के लिए वो थोड़ा सा शेप वाला चिप्स स्लाइसर यूज़ करना है बस। ये मैंने पूरा अपने हाथों से ही बनाया, कोई स्लाइसर नहीं यूज़ किया, क्योंकि स्लाइसर्स यूज़ करने से वो कट होता है, ऐसे परफेक्ट शेप नहीं मिलता। इसलिए अभी मैंने जो भी इसमें, क्योंकि उसमें ऑयल रहता है ना, इसलिए मैंने सोचा कि मैं दूसरे यूटेंसिल में रख के उसको स्टोर करूँ, ताकि मैं जो ऑयल कंटेंट देखिए उसमें है और उसमें जो नीचे चिली पाउडर वगैरह चिपक गया है ना, उसको मैं सेव करना चाहती हूँ। इसलिए देखिए अच्छा बना है, एक्चुअली टेस्टी बना है। हमारे घर में 1 दिन में ही ख़त्म होता है इतना चिप्स। हमको बढ़िया लगता है। आप ट्राई कीजिए अपने घर में और हमको कमेंट कीजिए। थैंक यू ऑल।